Hello everyone. Today I'm bringing you an unboxing video of an action camera. A little while ago, I bought a DJI Action camera from China, and now I'm going to unbox it for you all. So first, I'll peel it open from here. And then let's open it up. Inside, there's a box. Let's take it out. This is the DJI Action 4, straight from China. Let's see if there are any accessories. This is just the packing list, nothing important. And that's it. So, it's just this one box inside. These other papers, they're useless. Now let's open up this smaller box. Let's cut it open with scissors. When you're using scissors, be careful not to cut your fingers. Looks pretty nice. Where do we open this? Oh, right here. Open, open. This should be the Action 4 camera. Overall, it's pretty small, about half the size of a hand. Let's see if there are any more accessories. This should be the accessories box. Let's open it up and check. Yup, accessories. There's also a manual. Here's the charging cable and a mounting screw. Mounting screw. The mounting screw and charging cable are tied together. This is the camera protective case. Let's see if there's anything else inside. There are some small accessories. This should be an anti-slip pad. Battery. Curved mount. This part is slanted. This is a magnetic accessory. Magnetic accessory. It's got magnets. The bag? Don't need it. Manual? Don't need it either. Let's see what else. Nothing left? Nothing? Oh, there's a card. So, overall, this is everything in the box. I'll show you. Magnetic accessories. This is the Action 4 camera. After peeling this off, you'll see the lens. I'm not going to peel it off just yet. Here's the curved mount. Battery. This little paper shouldn't be removed, otherwise, the battery might get damaged. This is an anti-slip pad and a lens hood. Let's put it back. These two are too small. Don't want them to fall and get lost. So, this is everything in the standard package. Action 4. Protective case. Charging cable and mounting screw. Battery. Magnetic accessories. It's really sturdy, won't fall off. That's it. Box. How do you take this off? Oh, can't take it off. Oh! It's a bit tricky to remove. Oh, got it. There's a clip inside, one on each side. So when you're removing it, press here and here at the same time. Press and take it off. So it's really secure, with clips to hold it in place so it doesn't fall off. Okay, unboxing done. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe.